Fishing knives are essential tools for anglers, designed to handle tasks like cleaning, filleting, and gutting fish with ease. Featuring sharp, corrosion-resistant blades and ergonomic handles, these knives offer precision and durability in wet environments. A high-quality fishing knife enhances the fishing experience, making preparation and cleanup efficient and safe. I included all the link and video description below. Let's get started. Number 6. Cressi Borg Spearfishing Knife is a versatile and durable tool designed for underwater adventures, offering exceptional performance for spearfishers, divers, and snorkelers. Crafted with a corrosion-resistant, tempered stainless steel blade, it ensures long-lasting sharpness and resilience in saltwater environments. The blade features a dual-edged design, with one side being a smooth edge for precision cutting, and the other a serrated edge for sawing through tough materials like fishing lines, ropes, or seaweed. Measuring 5 inches, the blade strikes a perfect balance between size and functionality, making it easy to handle underwater. The ergonomic rubberized handle provides a secure, non-slip grip even when wet, ensuring optimal control and safety during use. Its integrated handguard enhances protection and prevents accidental slips. The Borg knife comes with a durable sheath equipped with a locking mechanism for safe storage and quick access. Adjustable leg or belt straps allow for secure and customizable placement, keeping the knife within reach at all times. Lightweight and compact, it is easy to carry without adding bulk to your diving gear. Designed for reliability and versatility, the Cressi Borg Spearfishing Knife is an essential tool for anyone exploring underwater realms or engaging in spearfishing adventures. Number 5. ZHENDUO Fillet Knife Fishing Knife is an essential tool for fishing enthusiasts, designed to deliver precision, durability, and comfort. Its razor-sharp stainless steel blade is engineered for effortless filleting, skinning, and boning, ensuring clean, accurate cuts with every use. The blade's corrosion-resistant coating guarantees longevity even in harsh saltwater conditions, making it a reliable companion for both freshwater and saltwater fishing trips. The knife features an ergonomically designed non-slip handle that offers a secure grip, minimizing hand fatigue and ensuring control during extended use. Additionally, its lightweight construction enhances maneuverability, while the included protective sheath provides safe storage and easy portability. Whether you're preparing your catch at the water's edge or in your kitchen, the ZHENDUO Fillet Knife stands out with its superior performance and user-friendly design. Crafted with both amateur and professional anglers in mind, this knife combines functionality with style, featuring a sleek, modern look that reflects its high-quality build. Perfect for slicing through a variety of fish, this versatile knife is a must-have for anyone serious about fishing and culinary precision. Elevate your fishing game with the ZHENDUO Fillet Knife, where practicality meets exceptional craftsmanship. Number 4. Kershaw Clearwater 9 Fillet Knife is a high-performance tool designed for anglers who demand precision and reliability when filleting fish. Its 9-inch blade is crafted from durable stainless steel, offering excellent sharpness and resistance to corrosion, even in challenging saltwater environments. The flexible blade allows for easy maneuverability, making it perfect for cutting through delicate fish flesh with minimal effort, ensuring clean and smooth fillets every time. The ergonomically designed handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, even when wet, reducing hand fatigue during long fishing sessions. Its textured grip enhances control, allowing for precise cuts, while the lightweight construction ensures that the knife is easy to handle and doesn't weigh you down. The Clearwater Fillet Knife also comes with a protective sheath for safe storage and easy portability, making it convenient for both on-the-water use and at-home cleaning. With its sleek design and excellent performance, this knife is built to last, offering superior value for both amateur and seasoned fishermen. Whether you're preparing a catch in the great outdoors or in the kitchen, the Kershaw Clearwater 9 Fillet Knife delivers the sharpness, flexibility, and comfort needed for a flawless filleting experience. Number 3. Rapala Heavy-Duty Electric Fillet Knife is a powerful and efficient tool designed for anglers who want to streamline the filleting process. Equipped with a robust motor, this electric knife effortlessly cuts through fish with precision, making it ideal for both large and small catches. Its durable stainless steel blades are designed to withstand heavy use and resist corrosion, ensuring longevity even in tough saltwater environments. The knife's 7.5-inch reciprocating blade is perfect for making quick, clean cuts, while its flexible construction allows for smooth, easy maneuvering along the contours of the fish. The ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, reducing hand strain and enhancing control, even during prolonged use. Additionally, the Rapala heavy-duty electric fillet knife comes with a storage case to keep the knife and its extra blades neatly organized and protected. The powerful motor reduces the effort required for filleting, which means you can process more fish in less time without sacrificing accuracy or quality. Whether you're filleting fish at home or on the water, the Rapala heavy-duty electric fillet knife makes the job easier, faster, and more efficient, delivering professional-grade results with every use. Number 2. KastKing Folding Fishing Knife is a versatile and durable tool designed to meet the needs of anglers who require precision, portability, and strength in their fishing gear. Featuring a sharp, corrosion-resistant stainless steel blade, this knife is built to tackle a wide range of tasks, from filleting fish to cutting through ropes or lines. The blade's fine edge ensures clean and accurate cuts, while its folding mechanism makes it compact and easy to store in a tackle box or pocket, perfect for on-the-go convenience. The ergonomic handle is crafted from a sturdy, non-slip material, providing a comfortable and secure grip even when wet, ensuring maximum control during use. The knife's lightweight construction reduces hand fatigue, making it ideal for extended fishing trips or other outdoor adventures. Additionally, the KastKing folding fishing knife includes a reliable locking mechanism to keep the blade safely in place when open, reducing the risk of accidents. With its sleek design, practical functionality, and ease of use, this folding knife is a must-have for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether you're heading out on a fishing expedition or enjoying a day at the campsite, the KastKing folding fishing knife is the perfect companion for all your cutting needs. Number 1. BUBBA Pro Series Electric Fillet Knife is a premium tool designed for serious anglers who demand exceptional performance and durability. Equipped with a high-torque motor and advanced blade technology, this electric knife effortlessly cuts through fish with speed and precision, making it ideal for both small and large catches. Its flexible, 9-inch stainless steel blades are corrosion-resistant, ensuring they remain sharp and durable even in challenging saltwater environments. The knife's ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use, while the trigger guard ensures additional safety. The BUBBA Pro Series electric fillet knife also features a convenient, user-friendly design with a 110-volt power cord that offers ample reach and flexibility for use in various settings. The included blade release mechanism allows for quick and easy swapping between blades, enabling the knife to tackle different filleting tasks with ease. Additionally, the knife comes with a durable storage case to keep everything organized and protected when not in use. Whether you're filleting fish on the boat or processing your catch at home, the BUBBA Pro Series electric fillet knife delivers superior cutting power, precision, and comfort, making it the perfect tool for every angler.